We'll be going over silver futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT. We're approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. We have yet to close above the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $24.24. As with the 4 hour chart, we remain in NUGT and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in NUGT, seeing signs of a diverge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.75, my sell target is at $22.27, my stop loss is at $20.48. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.23, my sell target is at $21.03, and my stop loss is at $23.53. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 23% chance to climb between 0 to 5.6%. To the downside, it has a 64% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.6%, and a 14% chance to fall between negative 5.6 to negative 11.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.